Look at this beautiful sycamore tree. It must be so ancient. What a lot of character it's got. And it's even got bricks in it. It must have been some old wall, perhaps, that the tree grew round and the wall disintegrated, but the tree remains. I just love this. Wow. And look around here. It's really quite extraordinary. Have you ever seen a tree like this one? I bet you've got your favourite trees. I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. But meanwhile, have you seen my playlist for tree lovers? I'm having such fun exploring and enjoying these wonderful trees. And remember about the World Wood Web. See more in the description below. Thank you for watching.